Oh, g'day there, it's Poppy Dave. I'm just showing you this magnificent succulent that we've got in front of us there. It's the dragon blood tree. It's part of the Dracaena family, and it's a Dracaena draco. It's from the Canary Islands. The trunk exudes a rosin, or red rosin, hence its name, dragon's blood, when the trunks or the branches are damaged or rubbed. The dragon blood, or that red rosin, is used in traditional medicine. Interestingly enough, the trunk, as it grows, it takes about 10 to 15 years for the trunk to sort of thicken up, and then eventually after 10 or 15 years it starts to branch out and puts the crown up on top there. Another fun fact is this particular plant is actually part of the Asparagaceae family. Over in the Canary Islands, there's a tree there that's estimated to be over 6,000 years old, and was 21 meters tall. Unfortunately, it was destroyed in a storm. Yeah, coming back to the rosin again, the traditional medicine people have used it for wound healing, as it has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Yeah, so that's the dragon blood tree, Dracaena draco.